Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly.
And me, Dave.
And today is that time of the month with the Universal Yums. We're going to see what's in this box.
See what we got today.
Please excuse us because we were outside working in the heat and humidity and did not... I'm a little sweaty, so I apologize.
So today we got Greece. So let's see what kind of treats they sent us from Greece. I discovered the Golden Fleece Feast in Greece. There's a little sticker that comes with it, of course, and a little pamphlet that has all kinds of trivia and stuff about Greece. Tells you about the treats that you're going to be trying and all that good stuff. So let's see what we got. Oh, look at these ones. First one off to try is tomato and paprika chips from Tatis. Ooh, looks like it might be spicy too. Ooh. Try one.
Smells like a potato chip. Almost like a ketchup chip. Kind of barbecue.
Not as good as a ketchup chip.
No. Let's see if the dog likes it. Gum? That's alright. I mean, I could eat the whole bag. It's a chip to me. It isn't offensive. Smoky. It isn't an offensive odor.
No, but it's...
Do you know what I mean? Like sometimes you eat...
I mean, it's not that strong a flavor.
No, it's not, but it tastes like a chip. And honestly, you dip something in there and that ain't bad.
With dip it'd be good, but by itself, not so much. Next one we got garlic bread chips, which are just like the same garlic, what are they called? Bagel chips here, I guess. Tatis again. So they must be the brand that they're going for. I'm not getting much of a garlic smell.
Let's see how they... Oh, they're little. They're like...
Yeah, they're little chips.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
They're better than those chips.
Yeah. Tastes like those little bagel pieces you get, like in the... What is that? What are the other things?
Yeah.
Like, you can get from, like, a company where they have, like, honey mustard ones and that kind of thing. Good.
They're good.
Again, I can eat the whole bag. Will I go back for more? No.
Almond baklava.
Love the baklava here.
Yeah, so we get a lot of baklava because Sonny's from Turkey. He brings us a lot of the Turkish baklava, and that's really good.
It is so good.
So let's see what this... I mean, this isn't fresh.
No, his is fresh, but...
It's very sticky. I can already... It's all over the...
Yeah, and it's so
wrapper.
hot here today.
Oh, boy.
Okay.
That's what it looks like. Comes in a little plastic thing. Oh, dear.
Oh, it's moist.
You take a bite first. Oh, God.
I mean, it's good. Not as good as what we get. Truly.
No.
I don't like that either.
I mean, it's good. It's sweet, but...
It tastes like cardboard. Right?
It tastes artificial.
Yeah.
I gotta wipe my hands off real quick.
Go ahead.
Tell them something interesting.
That's not a hit. And we love the baklava. I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a video on new nail thing I got. I'm so excited.
There's no pistachio flavor or nothing.
No. Next time Sonny brings the baklava, we'll have to do a video. Like, I'll add it in a video because it's so good.
Alright, so now here we got a grape must soft cookie from Fedon. This reminds me of gingerbread almost.
Wait, why doesn't it have grape in it?
Made from grape must.
Grape must?
Oh.
It smells like a thrift store smell. Tastes like a thrift store smells when you walk in.
Smells like gingerbread cookie, but very dry.
Well,
Very dry, but
you think
something
that?
appealing about it to me.
You want to throw us this?
I'll eat it later. Don't have to worry about it drying out because it's already dry.
I have dry and nasty.
Yeah. Maybe this would be better. Serenada milk chocolate wafer cookie.
How do you mess that up?
Well, so far, if
Now I will
there's a
say,
way to mess it up, they'll mess it up.
but like turkey and I guess Greek and all, a lot of their desserts aren't that sweet.
Yeah, because turkey was the worst box we've had so far. And this is not a good one either.
It tastes just like a chocolate wafer. Kit Kat consistency.
Yeah.
That's all it is. Better than that.
Good, yeah. It's better than definitely the best thing we've had so far, and that's not saying much. So now we got the Yum bag. It's finally back. They didn't give us a Yum bag last month. This month we got a Yum
I
bag.
got asked that so many times about the Yum bag. Didn't you get a Yum bag? Nope.
We didn't get one last month. So, here's almond flavored toffee. This looks like a little taffy. Take all the paper off mine? Nope.
Oh. It's like a Tootsie Roll with no flavor.
Yeah.
It has a little almond. Tastes like when you get those generic Tootsie Roll flavors from the dollar store. And you get that one that you save because you really don't like. And then you get it and then you eat it.
And this is the last thing we got.
For jelly.
Fruit jelly, pomegranate, cocos, kappa something.
It's basically a pomegranate jelly. Smells like life savory.
Smells good.
You bite in it, you know, like those watermelon jellies you get. So,
Very sweet.
very sweet. I'd eat those.
So what was your favorite?
That's really hard. Look, you got all that on there. I just put my hand in it.
Oh no.
Well, my favorite. Oh God. I guess I'm gonna have to go with the fake Kit Kat.
The wafer cookie?
Serenada.
I think my favorite was. Holy cow! There really wasn't a favorite.
The pomegranate was
Yeah,
good.
the pomegranate chewy was okay, but it was really sweet. The almond toffee was okay, but
I mean, these are good, but I can get these at the Walmart.
yeah, those are probably the best thing out of the bag.
This we could buy.
That I wouldn't buy.
No, but I mean, like if we wanted the flavor, it's like barbecue chips. It's
Yeah, it's
tomato,
like
red
very
pepper.
Yeah,
And it
very weak
wasn't-
barbecue chips.
You know, if I had nothing else and I dip sitting around, I'd dip that in. Bagel. These are bagel chips basically here, and I mean, you know, and I don't hate them.
And the baklava, not the best.
And this thing, I don't know what in the world.
This grape must cookie.
What is a grape must? Musk? Must? What is it?
Yeah, there's the grape must is a thing. I forget how they make it.
These are good. I'm hungry.
But the grape must, you must pass on the grape must cookie.
There's really nothing that great.
Get that?
I got it. So funny.
Dry.
I'm just disappointed because we pay, you pay for it. I get excited every month to get it, and the last 2 months is really...
Well, no, South Korea box was good.
Was that the last one?
Yeah.
Turkey one.
Turkey and Greece so far have been...
Not great.
They're just not the best with treats, I guess. Then again, they're probably skinny,
Yeah. Yeah,
Maybe that's why their treats are so bad nobody wants to eat them.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely not an American thing where we like the sweets.
But if you want to take your chance and you want to get your own Universal Yums box delivered to your door, you can
We're
get
not giving it a good rating.
Well, yeah, this one is a bust, but usually they're good. But you can get your own box for $5 off if you use the code in our description down below. So just if you want to try your own box, I'd wait till next month because you don't want this box. But next month will probably be better. I guess $5 off. That's a pretty good deal.
Definitely.
So, yeah, so that's it.
I'm just trying to swallow my food. Thank you for taking the time and watching us. We like doing these. I prefer if it's better food. I hope you guys are all safe and having a great summer or winter, wherever you're at. And as always, please be kind to each other. Some people are opposite side.
I don't think anybody's in winter, are they? Maybe Greece is in winter.
If you're at the opposite side of the world, you're not in summer, you're in winter, correct?
Well, yeah, maybe.
Okay. Well, wherever you are, enjoy life. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.
Goodbye.